Your diesel engine might look strong, sound strong, and feel unbreakable. But there are small habits, simple, everyday habits that quietly tear it apart from the inside. Most drivers never notice the damage until it's too late. Today, we're exposing 7 common mistakes that slowly destroy diesel engines and drain your wallet. Some of these are things people do every single day without thinking. Let's start with the one that hurts your engine the most when you're not even moving. And what this first mistake causes sets off a chain reaction you'll see again later in this video. 1. Too many short trips. Short trips are a diesel's silent enemy. When your engine doesn't fully warm up, moisture builds inside the oil, unburnt fuel collects in the cylinders, and the particulate filter never reaches the temperature it needs to clean itself. Your diesel needs heat to survive. Those tiny morning rides to the store or school never give it enough time. Do them too often, and your engine slowly drowns in its own soot and moisture. But this next mistake, it ruins engines even faster, especially for people who think they're driving smart. 2. Lugging the engine. Many diesel owners believe low RPM equals efficiency. But forcing your engine to chug along at extremely low RPM in a high gear is one of the quickest ways to damage it. Inside your engine, pressures skyrocket during lugging. Vibrations increase. Stress spreads through the crankshaft, rods, bearings, and even the transmission. Downshifting is not a sign of weakness. It's what keeps your engine alive. And if lugging stresses internal components, the next mistake destroys the single most important fluid protecting them. 3. Delaying oil changes. Diesel oil carries soot, moisture, fuel traces, and carbon. When it's fresh, it cleans and lubricates. When it's old, it becomes thick, abrasive, and harmful. Manufacturers may recommend long intervals, but real diesel owners know better. Waiting too long means your engine runs on contaminated oil that grinds away bearings, rings, and cam lobes. It's the kind of mistake you don't feel instantly, but the damage adds up with every mile. And speaking of time ticking, the next mistake ruins engines while they're just sitting still. 4. Excessive idling. Many diesel drivers think idling is harmless. Some even believe long idles warm up the engine. But modern diesels aren't designed that way. Idling leads to moisture buildup, incomplete combustion, and carbon deposits that choke the system. Your DPF never gets hot enough to burn soot. Your oil becomes contaminated faster. Unless you're in freezing conditions, let the engine run just long enough to stabilize and then drive. But if idling slowly clogs your engine, the next mistake destroys it from the inside out. 5. Using bad fuel. Diesel systems run at extreme pressures, sometimes over 30,000 psi. That means even tiny dirt particles or low-quality fuel can scratch injectors, clog pumps, and trigger expensive chain reactions. Water and fuel is even worse. It corrodes internal parts and ruins injector spray patterns, causing poor combustion and heavy soot. You'll first notice reduced fuel economy, but by the time you do, the damage has already begun. And if soot is building, the next mistake guarantees it will take your engine out for good. 6. Ignoring DPF regeneration. Your diesel's particulate filter is like a trash can for soot. When it fills, it must burn the soot at extremely high temperature to clean itself. But if you frequently shut the engine off mid-regeneration or never drive long enough for it to start, that soot hardens. Once that happens, the DPF can clog beyond repair. A clogged DPF doesn't just affect exhaust flow, but increases back pressure and puts the entire engine at risk. But even drivers who avoid all these mistakes often fall for the last one, which is the most surprising. 7. Babying the engine too much. Driving gently seems smart, but diesel engines aren't made to live soft. They need heat, pressure, and airflow to burn fuel cleanly. If you never take the RPM higher, never use the turbo, and never let the engine work, carbon collects everywhere. EGR valves clog, turbo vanes stick, power fades, fuel economy dies. Giving your diesel a controlled, healthy workout once a week helps keep everything clean and moving. And that brings us to the bigger picture. Diesel engines are incredibly durable, but only when treated the way they were designed to be treated. They need heat, clean oil, proper fuel, the right RPM range, and enough load to burn clean. Avoid these 7 mistakes, and your diesel can last hundreds of thousands of miles longer than most drivers ever expect. Take care of your engine, and it will take care of you.